Hey there, photo enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel for episode 177. How to blur the background in your iPhone photos, 2025. If you've ever wanted that professional, DSLR-like look on your iPhone snaps, you're in the right place. Blurring the background, or creating a bokeh effect, makes your subject pop and adds a touch of artistry to everyday photos. Let's dive in and make this super simple. First, grab your iPhone and open the camera app. It's the one icon that looks like a camera. Swipe through the modes at the bottom until you find Portrait Mode. This is Apple's built-in tool for automatic background blur, and with the 2025 iOS updates, it's even smarter with AI enhancements for better accuracy. Now, frame your shot. Position your subject about 2 to 3 feet away from the background for the best results. Tap the screen to focus on your subject, and you'll see a live preview of the blur effect. Pretty cool, right? Once you're happy, just hit the shutter button to capture the photo. Your iPhone's advanced depth sensing tech will handle the rest, creating a natural blur. What if you want to tweak it after the fact? Head over to the Photos app, select your image, and tap Edit. Look for the Portrait or Depth slider. It lets you adjust the blur intensity easily. In 2025, new AI tools might even suggest optimal settings based on the scene. A few quick tips to get stunning results. Always shoot in good lighting to avoid fuzzy edges, keep your lens clean for sharper focus, and experiment with different subjects like people or pets. Avoid overly busy backgrounds to let the blur shine. And there you have it. Blurring backgrounds on your iPhone is a breeze and can elevate your photography game instantly. Give it a try on your next outing and share your favorite blurred shots in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.